Spain.
Morning from España. Buenos noches. Oh, buenos dias.
Oh, it's embarrassing.
Sorry.
Okay. We are about to head to a little breakfast, but I wanted to start a vlog today because I've been here for a couple days, and we're just gonna vlog today and take you along with us. We've had a chill morning. Our friends who are with us, they have a daughter, so they've been out this morning adventuring because, you know,
It's San Pedro.
Kids and all that, you gotta keep them busy, but we've been chilling.
Hey, had some croissants.
Some croissants, and then we're gonna go get breakfast. I'm gonna get a
Second breakfast.
how do you say it?
A cafe con leche.
Yes, there you go. Just coffee with milk, and this is the current view we're about to head on to. That's the beach, but we're gonna show you more of today. Maybe I'll do a little OOTD really quickly for them actually. So hold on, let's turn the camera on. So this is a hat I just actually got from the flea market yesterday, a little cowboy hat. This is from Primark. It's just one of their little like bra and underwear sets, but I'm wearing it as like a bathing suit top. Cut off jean shorts that I thrifted like forever ago. So cute. Sandals are from Primark. Maybe I won't stand on that. Sandals from Primark. Toes by myself. And then Louis Vuitton bag. And then thrifted oversized men's long sleeve collared shirt. So sorry, I forgot.
In Spanish.
Oh.
Yeah?
Will is currently in a pineapple shirt. Oh, buttoning up. And you want to stand up for them maybe actually. Pineapple shirt and some striped board shorts. Fancy. We love the vibe.
We're all about fashion here.
Honestly, it's weird because it doesn't go together, but in a way it feels like it does go together.
It does good.
We are walking again en route
to our piscina.
Will's hat. We are gonna go lay by the pool, and oh my gosh, Will, we've made drinks. Will has a rum and a Fanta lemon, and I actually have a tequila and Fanta lemon today.
And we have some watermelon.
Watermelon to keep us going, and then I think for a little
Then
afternoon.
I've got a big bit of H2O as well.
Yeah, I got a big water bottle. I think we might do some gazpacho and bread later for a little snack, which will be nice. But yeah, the UV I think is pretty freaking high, so hopefully we get a nice little tan.
We have sun cream, don't worry.
Brought the sun cream, brought the speaker, towels, everything.
We're
so
ready to go, aren't we?
This is just how we like to do holiday. Chill vibes always. Yay! Okay, so we came back. Will's currently eating. I ate some gazpacho and bread. I also filmed a hair brand video I need to do in like one of the outdoor showers, and it's gonna be so cute. But that is why my hair is all straight and silky now. But I'm about to go back and continue to fake tan. Not fake tan. Tan in the sun. I'm so used to fake tanning. Tan in the sun. I made myself another drink, and we'll see where the day takes us. You having a good day, Will?
Great day.
So, catch y'all later. So after laying by the pool all day, I got a bit of a tan. it is time to do the infamous get ready for the night. So basically I just took a shower, which is like the best feeling ever when you've been laying out, and I'm just gonna do some light hair and makeup because I think tonight Will and I are gonna like go get a drink or something by the pool. Again, there is live music starting at 8:30 or something like that, so I think we're gonna try and go down for that. We're definitely gonna have some dinner though, do like a little barbecue, and yeah, I will show you how that goes while we're there. But it's just like, these are the holiday vibes. There's literally nothing going on and it's just the best thing ever. But I'm just gonna get ready now and I'll see you in a bit.
This is like, so here we are. Got a little takeaway dinner. Paella. Seafood paella.
It looks so good.
Yeah? Looks good? You happy with that?
Yeah. Wait, I want to take a photo of it.
Here we go. Living the dream.
Okay, let me see, babe.
Yeah.
More than that?
There's not any more room in the plate, mate.
Well, how about you eat that first? How about that?
Will's eating for two.
No, that's you.
I think Will is eating for two, to be fair.
This makes him so comfortable.
Where is he? There he is. Was he? Was that you? I'm doing our outfit of the night after the night because I did forget to do earlier in daylight, so hope you're appreciating the lighting. But we just went out for some sangria and live music, and this is what I'm wearing. First, cute. First things first, I will show you is this top. It's very cropped top. I was actually meant to wear it to a concert and it didn't come in time, so in Spain it is. It's just from Shein. Then I have my thrifted secondhand Louis Vuitton bag that I got in Copenhagen. Denim shorts that I thrifted as well. They were cut off jeans that I cut to be cut off shorts. Little heeled sandals from Primark. Actually, these are so comfortable, by the way, so if you're going for a night out, highly recommend. Then I got my hair extensions in. These are by KB Hair Extensions in dark autumn, I believe is the color, and they match my hair perfectly. And yeah, I got some jewelry. This is by Lanier, L-I-N-J-E-R, believe it or not, as well as a little ring. And that is basically my outfit of the night. I threw on Will's old blazer that he actually wore at our wedding, but otherwise, that is it. Do you have your approval, babe, in the back?
Huge approval.
Filming it, so yes. I'll see you later.
Oh,
Right,
thank
what are you
you.
gonna
Oh,
say?
that's a chocolate.
So I never like properly ended the vlog last night. Vlog. So it's another day. We were in Old Town Marbella this morning. Wasn't that right, Will? Old Town
Absolutely, that was right.
We got some churros, which I showed. And I'm gonna end the vlog here, but before I do, just thought I'd show you something we got from one of the restaurants up there. It is they said it's a champagne sangria. So basically, best of all the worlds. Wait, hold on. I'm pretty sure it was in the shop, but it's a champagne sangria.
Which, like, essentially just...
Yeah, so it has obviously champagne and then like fruit juice and probably another liquor. I think maybe a Cointreau, so it's like orange. So, ooh, careful.
That's rum, isn't it?
I'm not exactly sure. Oh, that looks good. Okay, that's good. And that one. Let's move that out of the way. So we're just gonna enjoy that. We're gonna do taste test because I'm feeling like it's gonna be delicious. Also, how funny are these Thatcher's glasses? Okay, hold on. Should we try? Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's not bad, is it?
That's awful.
Ah, that's terrible. We're gonna struggle.
Ooh, it's very peachy.
Here's peaches.
Maybe
Quite
it's pineapple,
tropical.
actually.
Oh, it's pineapple, yeah.
Pineapple. Anyways, we're gonna go enjoy this, but thanks for tuning in on the vlog, like 24-hour vlog. Subscribe if you haven't. And shout out to all those who've joined the family over on YouTube recently. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
See ya.